The State Department of Transportation announced this week the Madison West DMV is moving.
But the city isn't happy with the new location on Madison's far west side. Our Rose Schmidt is here to tell us why. Rose?
Yeah, thanks so much. The city of Madison has actually filed a civil rights complaint over the new DMV location, saying minorities and people with disabilities could have a harder time getting there.
Excelsior Drive is rather calm now, but people will soon be lining up to change their address and register to vote at the new Madison West Service Center. The State Department of Transportation is closing the current DMVs on O'Donnell Road and Sheboygan Avenue.
The decision to consolidate the two West Side Service Centers and to move them to a new location, which is one that is isolated in regards to accessibility, is totally unacceptable to the people of the state of Wisconsin.
The city's Civil Rights Department filed a complaint with the U.S. Department of Transportation. It says the new DMV location puts people who rely on public transportation at a huge disadvantage, particularly people of color and people with disabilities.
There's about a third of a mile between the bus stop and where the location is, so the individual would need to be able to walk or get to the location from the bus stop.
Access to Independence, a group that advocates for people with disabilities, says this would especially present challenges for people in wheelchairs.
If it's snowing and they have to go more than just a couple hundred feet, they have to go, say, 3/10 of a mile, as in this case, that's a real challenge when you have to go through curb cuts that are often unplowed or unshoveled.
Davis says, in addition, the bus only runs before 9 a.m. and after 3:30 p.m. But the State Department of Transportation says people in the area will have multiple bus options, and the new location will have additional benefits. In a statement to News 3, DOT said the Madison West DMV is a new, more spacious location with free parking close to the building entrance. It has easy access from the West Beltline to serve growing Dane County and communities to the west.
The city has also expressed concern over voting rights for people of color in Madison. Mayor Soglin says the original DMV locations served as voting wards in neighborhoods with some of the highest populations of people of color in the city. So things to think about.
Rose Schmidt reporting that. Rose, thank you.